Okay. Let's see what kind of drink you have right in your hand now. Tell everybody, speak up loud.
This is a can of ginger ale.
Dr. Brown's ginger ale. Extra dry. This will make you burp loud as ever. This is called chug the whole entire can and let that burp out loud and see how loud you are. Oh, that hurt! You popped your finger on that can top. Oh, that hurts. Now open it up. And chug. Let me count to 3 first.
Fizzing.
1, 2, 3. Chug it all the way down. Drink it. You have to drink it down fast. Oh.
Man, I'm a jacket.
All the way down. Oh. Oh, I was about to cry on that now. Why does it keep on going on your jacket the whole time in there? All the way down some more. That's the last of it in that can? Still a little more? Oh, that's the last of it right there. Okay, that's good stuff. Tell everybody, put some comment on the very bottom of the page.
Please put some comments on the bottom of the page.
And put subscribing on my channel.
And put a subscribe on the channel.
It's going to be a good videos. And just put subscribing and some comments. My friend is back with a blaster of burps.